Hi everyone, welcome back into the channel. Another quick look at Pepe coin today because the market has actually shown a bit of brutality. We can see on the day we're seeing a big correction here for altcoins. Now in my opinion, this is not really anything to be majorly worried about, and this isn't a situation of one step forward and two steps back, because when we look at the overall market capital of crypto, for 5 consecutive weeks, we have printed completely parabolic green candles. This is the total market cap of crypto, and we can see it's moved up massively in the last 5 weeks from 2.19 trillion up to basically heights of 3.6 trillion. So effectively the whole entire market has gone up in value by 50%. Of course, we're going to see some sort of red candles, and you can see just going back in time, every time we get a flurry of green candles consecutively, we do eventually print a few reds. Even back in the 2021 bull market, we print like a good 7-8 weekly greens, we get some reds, we print more greens, we get some more reds. So it could be a situation of a couple reds, and then maybe we're going to get a bunch more greens. And I don't think we're at the end of cycle target, which is around sort of $6 trillion yet. Anyways, enough on that. I want to talk about memes. We can see meme coins right now have dropped a bit in valuation, which isn't necessarily terrible. It's gone from like 140 billion down to like where we are now, which is sitting around, I think, 118 billion or something. So yeah, a lot of memes are down on this particular day. We've seen a lot of panic in the markets, and you know, fingers crossed we're not going to see a continuation of this particular play here. Looks like Pepe coin as itself is quite resilient. We've seen it come down a bit due to this particular movement, but on the day it's actually already printing, you know, a green percentage here, and we're back down to 10.61 billion, but we weren't really that much higher anyway. We're just sitting around sort of 11.6 billion, so we've scraped away 1 billion from Pepe. It's not really a huge concern in my opinion, but of course we can still see more downside play here for Pepe itself. So you know, we've printed so far, we've got red on this weekly candle. It's not yet closed as a red candle, and we would not want to see that, but it might have to unfortunately be the reality for now. And guys, of course, if you're looking to make money, whether the market is up or down, do consider becoming a patron and join Jacob's Crypto Clan. That is my Discord, which I've got linked right down below as well. So if you become a patron, it will unlock you the VIP access to the Discord, where you're going to get indicators, signals, stealth launches, early alpha, and all these kind of different insights that can help you make money, whether the market is green or red. So yeah, do check it out, and thank you for all the new supporters as well. So this will really help you hopefully achieve that time, location, and financial freedom. And of course, we can always refund you. Now, looking at Pepe coin, weekly RSI did become a little bit overbought. Nowhere near as overbought as sort of last time. As you can see over here, it was very euphoric back in March, but I guess there was less meme coins, and this was also the inception of Pepe, so it was much more exciting. If we look at the daily time frame, because we have had 3 consecutive all-time highs, again, not really as euphoric as it was just basically on the 12th of November, which was a whole month ago. So we saw all-time highs, but without the euphoria, and this can actually be like a bearish divergence, in the sense that you're seeing the RSI come down like this, but then when you look at price structure, it's doing the complete opposite. And I've seen this pattern before, where you have the price structure print a higher high, but you have the relative strength index actually print a lower high. And I remember seeing this exact kind of pattern for Bitcoin before it actually properly crashed. But I still think you can't compare Bitcoin to Pepe, and you know, it could just be a very short-term blip in the market. Now on the day, we can see a ton of buyback pressure at 0.000022. So there's a load of support now on this diagonal support. So we've now got this written in as a pure support level, and over the last 2 days we've had tons of accumulation around those lower levels. Looking at the 4 hour, we are starting to just slowly creep up here for Pepe coin, and hopefully we will gravitate towards that resistance now, which is now 272 region. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame to see it happen, but to be honest guys, you can't see these markets just fly up forever the way they have done. We are going to see some red days within the green days, but it's never a problem to see these, as long as it's not, of course, consecutive. And you know, we're seeing like massive wipeouts from the market, like 50, 60, 70% liquidity pools and stuff like this. So far so good. Wouldn't be panicking about Pepe. Maybe for someone that's looking to find a new level to enter for Pepe coin, it's going to be difficult again, but we could be using the 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci. It might not even go back down there, but for reaccumulation, you could be looking at that sort of play there around this price level, which we did just blip down into the 2.2, the 2.1, and the very low 2.3s could be potentially good here. But let's see how this sort of day plays out, because again, it can be very volatile. Anything can happen by the end of the day as well. Wouldn't ape in at these sort of very, very volatile times. You can also see, let's get creative with Grok. Reply with your best Grok created Pepe masterpieces. And from time to time, we actually see Elon Musk, replying to a lot of things around here. Elon Musk, is saying here, create awesome memes super fast using Grok. That's what he just tweeted out 4 hours ago. And when you look here, you can actually see a lot of the coins here. There's a lot of frog images. So yeah, people are putting Pepe here and stuff. So a lot of traction is going towards Pepe, just simply because of Elon Musk and his Grok thing as well. So really, really cool to see. If you guys are buying crypto, trading crypto using leverage, you can check out Bitchinix down below. No KYC, globally accessible. This will give you also trading bots, copy trading as well. The trading bots will be coming soon. So you get more of a product here as well. You can do staking and things, or you can check out KSEX down below if you want the actual lowest fees in the entire crypto market. So these are the lowest fees you'll ever find, by the way, in the crypto markets. And that's one reason we really like KSEX over here, because it helps people save money. Also very secure, safe, awesome platform. Do check those out. The links are down below if you're looking to buy Pepe coin or meme coins in general. And fingers crossed, we can see a bit of sustenance with this, because on the day here, it looks like there was a ton of buyback pressure on the overall market cap here. You can see a lot of buyback coming in around 3.3 trillion mark on the total market cap. So there was a massive, massive drop here on that daily. You can see $400 billion worth just in one big sweep. It's 10% straight out the market. It happened a few days ago. We can see it happened over here as well, guys. So just to reiterate, 10% right there. And then we move back up. So hopefully we can march back up from this. We also had a big one over here in October, about 9% again, and then we marched onwards. So are they little cheats? Are they like little, paper hand wipeouts to get people out, selling their position to create a bit of a panic and then more accumulation? It's really hard to say, but we can see this pattern happening over and over again, these 10% blips to the downside, then correction, then we accumulate, then we consolidate, and then, hopefully we move on back forward. So fingers crossed we get continuation from here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here, and hopefully see you guys in the Discord too. Peace.